I wish to welcome you to our new Crystal Barn project. Ingela and I have been having our own versions of a dream to create a place of birthing and awakening, a place to recover our original innocence and sense of wonder and our gratitude for the gifts of existence, and a place to plunge deeper into the mysteries of life through love. Journeying consciously into the beauty and into a greater healing. Through the generous help of friends, we've transformed an old broken down barn into a cozy space of peace and beauty. We'll hold regular events here, communal singing in the spirit of love, giving and receiving energy blessings to each other, basking in the beauty of mystical poetry, and having small, intimate concerts with acoustic music and song, and of course, lots of dance and celebration, and then just kicking back together with a good latte and munching on some homemade energy balls or cookies. We're going to be holding workshops in yin yoga with sound journeys and beautiful poetry to help you stretch open old stuck energy and get lighter and freer in your body. We're going to have workshops on opening our subtle energy awareness and drinking in unconditional love, and how to playfully transform old stuck energies in your body. And transforming is really a big one, transforming sexual life force ecstatic sensations into prayer and into union with the absolute happiness that we call God. And workshops on resolving old conflicts through radical forgiveness, and even on how to live in a way to guarantee that you will have a luminous passage when it's time for you to leave your body and this world. There'll also be workshops on painting and creative writing, and who knows what else, because we love creative freedom and real love in action. So come back to this webpage and keep up with our progressions and all that we have to offer to support you in your journey of being human for a little while here with us in this miraculous world. Thanks.